Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Steve with Bro the Handyman. In this video, we're going to install the storm door on the front of the house. So come along, we can learn a few tricks on the way. Maybe there's just simpler ways to putting it up. So come along, let's get it done.
Incoming call. Incoming call. Incoming call. Incoming call. Incoming call. Incoming call.
Alright guys, I went ahead and put the hinge rail on by screwing in the screws. Now most of these had to be pre-drilled, so I pre-drilled it with my drill. I put the little masking tape on it so I didn't go too deep, and those were an inch down, an inch deep. And then we put this on right here, and this was a 1/2 inch deep holes, and put the screws in for that. And then I went ahead and these are a 1/2 inch down, so I'll put these. And then put this little clip on so you get your height right on this side, because this is your hinge. And then this should be the amount of space you need in between this and the frame. And so our next step is to go hang the door. Now I won't be able to have my phone out there, because that's what I record on, is my phone. I won't be able to have my phone on the tripod out there because it is massive windy. But after I hang it, I'm gonna go ahead and record. And so basically there won't be any lapse. So it'll be here, and then I'm gonna go over there and show you what I did, so I can hold my phone. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to it and hang this door up. Alright guys, see, all I have left to do is put the trim. But you start by putting the hinge onto the storm door. And then you'll have some plastic pieces that'll fit right here and underneath. That'll fit right here and underneath, so you can get the correct distance in between. And then you set your door in, you put the bottom portion, and then you lean it up. And then once it's leaned up, you want to fasten it to here. I suggest having help. My son helped me out, my oldest boy. And then I came, and then there's, okay, so before you put this piece on right here, you put some, they got some plastic foam pieces that go in. I mean, no, foam pieces, not plastic, but foam pieces with double-sided tape. And you want to put it about 6 inches from the top, 6 inches from the bottom, and somewhere in the middle. And then what that'll do is that'll give you your distance from here when you close the door. So then you'll set this piece on, and you screw it down, and then you'll put this piece on after. This top piece goes on first. So you put your door on, then you put this on, and then you put this piece on next. Then after you do that, you go ahead and put your doorknob and stuff on. Your mechanism, you actually put your mechanism on first. So you throw your mechanism in there, your door handle, and then you want to put this little guy in. Yep, and then once you get all that in, you have your storm door. So that's basically how it gets done. I wish I could have filmed it all, but the wind was so strong. I didn't want it to blow over my tripod. So, but if you have any questions upon this and this installation, just post them down in the comment section below, and I can do my best to answer them and get to them as soon as I can. But as always, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Oh, and I will be doing another storm door on the other side of the house. It's got more of a porch area, so hopefully I can have that one filmed, so it'll be a little bit more educational. So that one can be filmed, hopefully that the wind is not as strong. But right now it's the winter time, so the winds are pretty heavily kicking, so it's a little bit more difficult to film. But thanks for watching, appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.